Scan a document from the printer control panel and then save it to a folder on the network. To scan to a network folder, the printer must have an active internet connection, and the Scan to Network folder feature must be previously set up using the HP Software Wizard or from the printer embedded web server. Load the original document face up in the document feeder or face down on the scanner glass using the guides for correct placement. On the home screen of the control panel, touch Scan, Network Folder, and then touch the folder where you want to save the document. If prompted, enter the PIN to access the folder, and then touch Done. Under Save As, touch the drop-down, and then select a file type. Under File Name, touch the text field. Use the keypad to enter a name for the scanned file, and then touch Done. Touch the Settings icon. Then adjust any desired scan settings, including color format, quality, brightness, and orientation. Touch Save Current Settings to save the settings as default for all future Scan to Network folder jobs. Otherwise, touch the back button. Touch Send.